Top 3 most expensive houses in the world. Discover the epitome of luxury living as we unveil the top 3 most exorbitant residences on the planet, where opulence knows no bounds and price tags reach astronomical heights. In the realm of high-end real estate, where grandeur and extravagance reign supreme, the quest for the ultimate dream home transcends mere bricks and mortar. From sprawling estates nestled in exclusive enclaves to palatial mansions boasting every conceivable amenity, the world's wealthiest individuals spare no expense in crafting their own personal paradises. Before we go on, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's get started. Number 1. Villa Leopolda, a French Riviera gem. The Villa La Leopolda is a large detached villa in Villefranche-sur-Mer, in the Alpes-Maritimes department on the French Riviera. The villa is situated in 18 acres of grounds. The villa has had several notable owners, including Gianni and Mirella Agnelli. Nestled on the French Riviera, Villa Leopolda stands as one of the world's most opulent residences. Over time, each owner has infused the property with their unique touch. Combining classical art pieces with modern sensibilities, Dati Villa's current estimated value is an astonishing 750 billion euros. Remarkably, it ranks as the third most expensive mansion globally, trailing only Buckingham Palace. Villa Leopolda enjoys a serene and secluded setting. Its sprawling 18-acre grounds boast 12 pools, harmoniously integrated into the landscape. Perched on cliffs, one of the pools offers an awe-inspiring view of the Mediterranean Sea. The villa's interior exudes timeless elegance, adorned with majestic deluxe pieces and vintage furnishings. Among its luxurious features are 19 master bedroom suites, each meticulously designed, and a total of 14 bathrooms. The dominant color scheme in the bedrooms is a rich blend of vintage red and creamy tones. Number 2. Bel Air's $126 million mansion. The Bel Air mega mansion spans a colossal 105,000 square feet and underwent over a decade of construction, encountering numerous logistical and legal hurdles along the way. First and foremost, the mansion boasts an exceptional location, nestled atop a commanding hilltop that offers breathtaking 360-degree views of the bustling city below. Catering to a wide array of interests, the property features 21 bedrooms, fulfilling virtually any hobby or passion. For car enthusiasts, there's a cavernous 30-car garage on the underground level, complete with 2 turntables for displaying prized vehicles. Fitness aficionados will appreciate the gym and lap pool on the 3rd floor, along with amenities like a 4-lane bowling alley, hair salon, and juice bar. Additionally, cinephiles can indulge in the movie theater, while wine connoisseurs can explore the extensive 10,000-bottle wine cellar, and cigar enthusiasts can relax in the cigar lounge. The primary bedroom alone dwarfs most New York City apartments, spanning an impressive 5,000 square feet and featuring a sitting room, expansive his and hers closets, and an office space. For guests seeking privacy, there's a separate 4,500 square foot guest house on the grounds. Number 3. Villa Lecedris, French Riviera, France. Situated in Cap d'Antibes along the French Riviera, Villa Lecedris is a remarkable estate. Nestled discreetly near the Hotel du Cap Eden Rock, this charming Provençal-style cottage offers a rare sanctuary surrounded by trees, exuding an ambience of privacy and tranquility. Let's delve into some captivating details about this exceptional villa. Constructed in 1830 by the Polonaise family, notable Jewish carpet merchants in Nice, the villa originally bore the name Les Oiseaux. It was subsequently expanded by David Désiré Polonaise, the Jewish mayor of Villefranche-sur-Mer from 1872 to 1900, further enhancing its allure. Set on an expansive 35-acre estate enveloped by verdant foliage, Villa Lecedris has welcomed a prestigious array of occupants over the years, including King Leopold VI of Belgium and the illustrious Marnier. The cost of Villa Lecedris could alternatively procure 10,000 kilograms of gold, 100 of the world's most luxurious yachts, or 50 of the globe's most extravagant cars. Spanning 120 square meters, the villa offers luxurious accommodations, comprising 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a spacious living/dining area, and a fully equipped kitchen. Guests can indulge in modern conveniences such as Wi-Fi access, a jacuzzi, and a complimentary limousine service. Electric buggies and bicycles are provided for exploring the expansive property, while spa treatments can be arranged within the villa's serene confines. As we conclude our tour of the most expensive residences in the world, one thing becomes abundantly clear. Luxury knows no bounds for those with boundless fortunes to spare. From the sun-kissed shores of the French Riviera to the bustling streets of Los Angeles, these homes stand as monuments to excess and extravagance, offering a glimpse into a world where price is no object and dreams are made reality. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.